Hi guys! Welcome to our YouTube food blog. Now let's start making on how to make the simple, delicious, and crunchy fruit and fiber cookies. For the ingredients, we need 5 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of soft unsalted butter, 1 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 3/4 cups of white sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of iodized salt, 4 pieces of white medium eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1/2 cup of dried raisins, 1 cup of oatmeal, 1 piece of medium apple chopped, 1 cup of dark chocolate chips. Now let's proceed to the procedure on how to make the fruit and fiber cookies. In a large clean bowl, mix the soft butter, brown sugar, and the white sugar. Now use a wire whisk to mix them all together to get the soft mixture. Now add the vanilla extract and mix it again. Now add the 4 medium eggs one by one while mixing all the ingredients. When all eggs are already added, mix it well for 2 to 3 minutes. In another mixing bowl, use a strainer, add the all-purpose flour and the baking soda. Now add the iodized salt and give a quick mix. Now add and combine the half-dried ingredients to the buttered mixture. Now mix it well to get the soft and sticky mixture. You can use a big spoon to mix it all ingredients properly. After mixing the first step, add the remaining all-purpose flour and mix it well. When all ingredients are already mixed, add the remaining ingredients. Add the oatmeal, the apple sliced, the dried raisins, the cashew nuts, and for the last, the chocolate chips. Now mix it all together. After mixing all ingredients, covered with a foil or a plastic, put in the chiller for 15 minutes.
A few moments later.
After 15 minutes, the texture will be soft and slightly hard. Now put a wax paper to your baking tray. Now wash your hands and get a small enough of a cookie dough and mold it in a round shape. Now use a spoon, then slowly flatten or press the cookie dough. Cooking time in 160 Celsius for about 8 to 10 minutes or until become a golden brown.
A few moments later.
And this is our easy, delicious, healthy fruit and fiber cookies. Serve with a smile and enjoy eating with your family and with your friends. If you want more videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, share these videos, and hit the bell button for you to be notified by the YouTube for our upcoming videos here in our Dave and Val Baba Food Blog YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and God bless. Love, love, love!